Hi, good morning everyone. So we are here at Embedded World with Advantech. I'm Faizan, I'm the application engineer at Advantech. Today we are going to show the robotic solution from Advantech. So here what you see in front of you is the rock chip RK3588, the AFE-R761. So basically it's an AMR running. So as you can see, it has 4 GMSL camera connected to the board. And here as you see is the video itself. So it has person detection. So basically when an AMR in a warehouse or in a factory, for its navigation it uses object detection to see the obstacle to navigate itself. And on the left is the 360 view. So 4 different cameras, the 360 perception view of the AMR itself.
And all the 4 cameras are connected. How do they connect?
All 4 are with GMSL. So this box itself can connect up to 6 GMSL. So we have connected 4 GMSL. So 4 different sides for the AMR.
And what else is from this box? It's got lots of performance.
So exactly. So as you said, it is quad core. So you have quad core A76 and A55 ARM box. So AFE-R761. So basically, it is tailor-made for AMRs for robotic solutions.
And do you have customers actually deploying this in real projects, making big things already?
Exactly. So as I said, these are AMRs. So let's say in warehouses, in factories, you have your, let's say, forklift robots and stuff. So these are the main compute modules for the robots, moving robots, you can say, mobile robots.
So you do robotics perception.
Exactly.
And you do multiple CPU platforms. So this is the ARM rock chip.
Exactly.
And here
on the left we have Intel solutions. So basically this is the Intel Core Ultra processor. So this ASI A502, again AMR controller boards, again GMSL camera connected. Just to show that as Advantech, we also have MIPI-CSI interface, but GMSL is the go-to cameras interface for current robotic providers. And then this is what we are showing on the top. You can see the RGB cameras and also the depth vision of the cameras. And on the left you see is Node OS. So basically this is our partner Node Robotics, which is based here in Germany. They provide the software solution for AMRs. So basically, let's say fleet management for navigation of the AMRs in warehouses. This is what you see on the left.
Is there a lot of things happening in robotics perception? There's a lot of improvements in the solutions?
Definitely, because in robotics, the main thing I would say is perception, the navigation and control. So all these are different parts of robotics, and perception, as you said, is a very, very important thing. So only when the robot can see what happens, it can do anything. So as you said, perception is a very important aspect of robotics. And
you have to feed it to the AI, right? You have to feed the real world to the AI so it can act in the real world.
So if you compare it to a human, let's say the brain is the compute which we as Advantech provide, and then the cameras are the eyes. So the cameras has to be connected to the compute, and then let's say you have your robotic arm controllers are your controllers. For example, if you want to move something, or let's say if it's connected to the wheels, if you want to have motion, mobile robots. So there's a whole ecosystem, and as Advantech, this thing is we have a whole ecosystem. For example, we have a robotic suite, we have a software solutions, we have a whole ecosystem partners, Orbeck cameras, Studio Labs, different cameras, different vendors. Even if you say you want to use some other cameras, as Advantech, we do provide driver support software solution as well, so that it's easier for us to integrate what you need as a customer.
And how long does it take you to make the integrations and like improve the integrations? It's just a constant work in progress?
Exactly, it depends. So for example, as I said, we have already provided integration support, for example, Orbeck from our solution partners. If not, you want other cameras, we have our software team here locally in Europe as well in Taiwan, which does the integration. And I can't give you a timeline, but it is a work in progress, and it depends on project basis.
And the models for the vision is keep evolving.
Exactly.
And you want to integrate it as close as possible to the camera, no?
Exactly.
You want to even put it in the camera module sometimes.
We do have, in this case, it has a compute running, but we have other solution as well. For example, I think in Underboot you have an iCam where a Qualcomm module is inside the camera. But that, as you said, that is a solution as well, where you get the compute as close to the edge. So basically, edge is where the cameras are, that is where most of our data is, and that is where we have the compute. And yeah.
Would you say that this cool little robot here, it can very reliably move around, and it's going to be actually very, it's not going to bump into things all the time?
That's the whole purpose of the cameras here. So it detects objects, it detects obstacles, and the whole thing is it moves around so that it doesn't bump into, as you said. So basically, doesn't bump into objects or persons.